Welcome, my fellow tax professionals. Today we'll be discussing the withdrawal of an offer and compromise application packet. I'm your host, attorney Robert Schaller, and the author of the course. An offer and compromise application can be withdrawn either voluntarily or involuntarily. A voluntary withdrawal is a withdrawal by a taxpayer at any time prior to final resolution by the Internal Revenue Service. An involuntary withdrawal is a withdrawal by the IRS because the taxpayer has failed to provide the periodic payment offer as required by Form 656 Offer and Compromise. Enjoy the course. Let us begin exploring the withdrawing of a pending offer prior to the IRS accepting or rejecting the offer. A voluntary withdrawal is a closing of the offer application at the request of the taxpayer. Only a taxpayer can voluntarily withdraw an offer. A taxpayer may withdraw an offer at any time during the IRS's investigation of the offer and prior to the IRS's acceptance of the offer. Mandatory withdrawals can occur without the taxpayer's consent. Mandatory withdrawals are the prerogative of the IRS exclusively. A mandatory withdrawal is based on the taxpayer's failure to submit the required periodic payment offer payments due while the IRS is considering the offer. A mandatory withdrawal may occur during the offer investigation and at any time prior to the IRS's acceptance of the offer. The IRS will consider an offer and compromise application withdrawn if the taxpayer fails to make any monthly payments as required by a periodic payment offer. Thank you for listening to this video, and please spread the word to family and friends that Do-It-Yourself Offer and Compromise Academy is available to help taxpayers find solutions to crushing IRS-backed taxes. The music for this video was provided by www.bensound.com. You can contact the Academy at its contact page at www.diycompromiseacademy.com. Enjoy the online course and keep on learning.